7. Where you choose to put your hard-earned cash money could be costing you more than you know. Yet 45% of Americans pay anyway. Our next guest says shopping around for your bank is critical to saving on your bottom line. Joining us now, personal finance expert Shani Curry St.
Hey
Hi,
guys.
Shani.
Welcome.
Good to see you.
Guys. Good to see you.
All right, so let's talk about these banking fees. I mean, when they say a free checking account, is it really free? Is anything ever free?
Well, the good thing is it always trips me out when I'm looking at my clients' bank statements and they're spending on fees. Can you think about it? The average American spends about $390 in banking fees. When you put that up against the average American has less than $500 in their checking account. You see how that works out? So it's a huge thing. So to avoid the fees could actually help you get to that $500 number. Some of the ways that you can avoid those fees is, number one, just check around. Start with credit unions. Credit unions, 72% of them don't have any fees, so you want to start there. Another thing that you want to make sure is that you want to make sure that by having direct deposit, just by having direct deposit, it can eliminate having that additional fee. So the more money that you have at the bank, the more you should be avoiding any fees.
What are some of the fees that consumers out there should be looking out for?
Okay, so one of the fees is fees to do ATMs, go to different ATMs. You want to make sure that your bank does not charge you to go to another bank. There are a lot of different apps for banks that you can look at, and they'll say, hey, the nearest bank is here. The nearest bank is here. That way, if you're taking $4 from your bank and $4 from the other bank, then that's a total of $8. So that's one of the ways, the ATM transfers. Of course, the overdraft protection. That is huge. Overdrafting and then the overdraft protection, because even if you have a savings account attached to your checking account to kind of avoid the fee, every time you do that, they're going to charge you an additional $10. I mean, can you think about the amount of times you're doing that? So one of the ways that you want to do that is read that fee schedule. You want to read that just as if you would use a credit card contract, Sometimes you pay a little closer to that, but you think, oh, it's just my debit card. But you want to look at the fee schedule. You want to see how much it costs for you, how many transactions that you can make, how many times you can use your debit card.
Is there a minimum balance that you have to have in order to avoid fees, or does it vary, do you think, from one bank to the other?
It varies per institution. It varies depending on where you're keeping your money, and that's one of the things that you want to look at in your fee schedule to say, how much my minimum balance here? If I have direct deposit, will it eliminate my need to have that here? If I go ahead, instead of getting those paper statements, if I go ahead and do it electronically, would that help me to eliminate some of the fees? So there's a couple of different ways. I mean, so many accounts exist without the fees. It's a matter of just looking for them because they're out there.
The ATM one is the worst, because sometimes you go to the businesses where it says cash only, and then they say, oh, there's an ATM right there.
Yes.
It's only $10 to withdraw the fee.
Right. And even if you're splitting a tab with some of your friends, that can be a little bit annoying. But some banks, you can look out there, I can't name them, but there are some banks that you can go to that give singles, and they give 5. So you're able to do that instead of having to get $20 or $25 and then pay that extra fee. So check that out. Read that fee schedule for sure so that you know what you're being charged for.
Can you ever negotiate with the bank? Can you ever say, I don't want to pay these fees?
Negotiation is always a smart tactic when you're dealing with your money. Plenty of times, if you can call into your bank and say, hey, listen, if you don't eliminate this fee, I'm going to go ahead and leave your bank altogether if you're keeping a certain amount of money. So you might want to bundle up. Some of my other money minds don't necessarily like bundling up your money, but in terms of this and avoiding fees, it always works. Having your checking account and your savings account and your money market all at the same bank will help you eliminate that fee. But if you kind of have your money kind of spread it out, then you may be missing out on that minimum. So just bringing it under one house can help you save some of that cash.
Shani Curry St. wearing the color of money.
Yes.
Protecting it for us.
All right.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Shani.
you.